This video will demonstrate some of the features of SpectraMagic NX2 digital colour data software for measuring and maintaining colour targets. Using the expanded functionality of the SpectraMagic NX2 software, we're able to greatly improve the utility and ease of working with targets and communicating those targets and related sample measurements further. The first feature of a target measurement is the ability to maintain a master and working target, and to link both sets of data on one template if needed. It's also possible to switch easily back and forth to compare the sample colour against both. To begin with, I'll measure a target, and of course I'm going to add some user-defined info that will help me to measure, manage, identify and report that target at another time. This includes results of the instrument check feature and information on the production and validity of the target. For more information on these features, please see their dedicated videos within our YouTube channel. Now that my target is measured, I'll select the data within the data tree window and use a right click to bring up more options. Within this menu, select Master Target and then Change to Master Target. On the display, within the tree window and the evaluation window, you can see that the icon for this data has changed to allow it to be visually differentiated from other targets. Next, I'm going to measure in a second target. And using the same right-click menu in the data tree window, this time select Change Target to Working Target. This will open a new window which asks which master target I want it to relate to. Again, the icon for this target changes to a more orange colour, and you can see its relationship to the master within the data tree window. Now I'm going to measure some samples in for the purpose of this demonstration. You can see the L star, A star, B star colour difference chart on my template, the newly measured sample, both in relation to the working target and the master target at one view. Our sample and working target have basically no difference in A star and B star, and a very small difference on L star that you can see in the L star plot on the left. If I want to switch to compare the sample directly to the master target, I can click the icon above the data tree that looks like the master target symbol with arrows. Now the data and graphs switch, and you can see the difference in the data from the sample now compared against the master. Sometimes when working we accidentally measure as a sample when we wanted to measure as a target. Or when setting targets, we might evaluate a number of samples and then pick one to be a target. If I select a sample in the data tree window and right click it, it's possible for me to select Change Sample to Target. You can see the icon has changed, and now it's possible for me to convert this in the same way as I did earlier to either a new master or a new working target related to a master. Sometimes samples are accidentally measured against the incorrect target. In SpectraMagic NX2, you can simply right-click that sample in the data tree and select Associate with Target. This brings up a window showing the current target and other targets in a drop-down menu that you can change the sample over to. Another feature of SpectraMagic, not so much new to NX2 but sometimes underutilised, is the Auto Target feature. Now I'm going to configure the Auto Search Target Settings option in the Data menu. I'll start by toggling this feature on in the top right of the window. This will be due to your own organisation and the number of colours that you have or how you want to use the data. In this instance, I'm going to ask it to return close colours, and I don't have so many targets stored in this data file, so returning a couple of targets within one delta E. Now, when I take a sample measurement, you can see a new screen that's showing the targets closest to the sample I've measured, along with the match, any tolerances that I set on the target. Depending on your workflows, this can be a significant time saver when working with numerous target colours. For more information or help in developing colour measurement and communication workflows, contact your local Konica Minolta product specialist and subscribe to this YouTube channel to be notified when new videos are available.
Konica Minolta.